my jewel.
Father, why did you order your guards to put him back into the cage?
Who is he?
Chidi.
What do you care about a criminal like him anyway?
Chidi is not a criminal, Father.
And what is your stand, if I may ask, my princess? What is your stand? You seem to take a particular interest on that boy's matter, which I am yet to understand.
Please, Father, release him.
Why? No, tell me why I should release a man that was accused of stealing my flute and which was discovered on the same spot where a girl was raped a night before.
Father, Chidi did not commit those crimes he was accused of.
So if Chidi didn't commit it, were you the one that committed it? What is your proof?
My princess, what is it? I heard your voice from my chamber.
Ask her. Our daughter has suddenly grown soft for a criminal. The princess is pleading for a criminal to be released. Can you imagine?
Chidi is not a criminal, Father. He's not. Father, please, for the sake of the love you have for me, release him. Remember, he has a sick, blind grandfather at home. Please, Father.
I will not release him until I get a proof of his innocence.
Hola! Hola, Chi!
Try to understand your father.
Understand what, Mother? That someone doesn't have a right to defend himself before judgment is passed? This same Chidi you people used to like at some point.
Liking him or not liking him is not the issue here. He was accused of stealing the Igwe's flute, which you were part of the arrangement that he should be arrested and punished.
Yes, because I had my reasons then, Mother.
Of course I know you have your reasons.
You do?
What else will make a woman to intercede for a young man, if not for love? I am a woman and I'm experienced enough to see the sign. But my daughter, do not allow your father to hear this. If not, he may do unthinkable.
Mother, please, you have to help me here. Please talk to my father.
About what? Didn't you hear your father? Yeah? Unless if there is a proof of Chidi's innocence, he may do unthinkable.
Who is at home? Who is at home? Knock, knock.
Oh, yeah. Who is there?
Oh, my princess. Amara, I greet you.
Welcome, princess.
I came to see Amara.
Amara was not herself ever since the attack. My daughter wasn't herself anymore.
I know. That is why I came.
Amara! Ami!
Hey.
Come. The princess is here to see you.
Sorry. It's okay, Amara. Sorry. I know what you're going through. That is why I came. Whosoever that did this must be brought to judgment. Okay?
May the gods of our land kill who did this to me. Who did this to me?
This person must suffer. Gods of our land, that person will not go free. how I wish my husband was alive. No one will do this to his daughter and live to tell the story. No one. I know my husband Obanta. But see me now. Death has finished me. Death! You have killed me. Death, you finished me.
Namara, it's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Amara, I want to ask you some questions. I hope you will oblige me.
What question do you want to ask? What question?
No, I've not told you yet. You know that yesterday we are coming back from the stream, how that boy was busy admiring my waist. And you know what?
What happened? What happened?
Where is my princess?
Majesty, my princess instructed us to stay back while she goes somewhere.
And you allowed her? And none of you thought it wise to inform the Igwe or myself that the princess left this palace without any escort. And you are here gathered like pigeons, discussing what I don't know.
We are sorry, Your Majesty.
You are sorry? You will be sorry by the time I inform the Igwe. And let the cause of our land help people. If anything should happen to my princess. Because forbid. Nothing will happen to my princess.
Now your brother lives. Her brother lives. Just take it easy, you'll be fine. Sorry. Sorry. Hey, no, sorry. Sorry. Okay, just raise up your head a bit. Just open your mouth small. Swallow it.
Where are you coming from without your maidens?
Father, must I go anywhere I wish to go to with my maidens?
Yes. You must go everywhere you're going with your maidens. Your maidens are a part of your royal protocol, which you must observe at all times. Now listen to me. Never again must you leave the royal premises without your maidens. Except you want to make me believe that your mission beyond the palace is an ulterior motive.
Far from it, Father. I can never do anything that will bring shame to this royal lineage, Father.
Very well then. Where are you coming from?
I went to see Amara.
Amara. You went to commensurate with her or what?
Yes, Father. And to ask her some questions. I believe that very soon, the real culprit will be found, Father.
My grandfather. Who is taking care of my grandfather? Namuku. Namuku, how are you faring? I hope you are fine. Who is taking care of Namuku? Who is taking care of Namuku?
Keep quiet! Stop disturbing our ears.
Greeting to the people of this house. Is anybody here?
Greetings to you, royal guards. Hope all is well.
The Igwe wishes to see your son, Ochili.
My son?
Yes.
I hope there is no problem.
Madam, there's no problem.
What are you doing?
The royal, yes, I'm outside.
Royal guards?
Just the king asked us to fetch your son for him.
Is your brother still in the toilet?
Yes. It's true.
Ochili! Ochili! Come here.
The Igwe guys want to see you.
Yes. The Igwe wants to see you at the palace immediately.
Igwe.
Yes.
Is he about the girl that was raped?
We don't know. Igwe asked me to fetch you for him. So I advise young man, we'll leave immediately.
Let me go with them.
I want to go with him.
Don't worry. Just stay with him. I'm coming back. Yeah? I'm coming back.
After you. Stay back. Let's go.
Actually.
Come in, eh?
Actually, let me first of all start thanking you for the way and manner you helped us discover the truth behind the crimes committed in this kingdom at the same time.
Thank you.
First, it was my flute, which you told me the culprit. Though some people did not believe you, but I believed you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Just as expected, the culprit committed another offense where my royal flute was discovered, still by you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Igwe, before we continue, will it not be better if Ochili will remove this cloth that covers his body?
I found feeling fine. Send for me. That's why I came.
Yes, that I appreciate. So, I actually invited you here today for you to say before my chiefs the details of the attack on Amara.
The thing is, from the royal flute to be found where the girl was raped
It means that the person who raped him, took the flute. Who is that?
Actually, did you not understand it? Who is that person you told me that stole the fruit? The day you found the fruit and brought it to my house.
Chidi.
Okay. I thought you would have spoken from the other side of your mouth.
Guards! Your Highness.
Amara, I want you to tell us before Ichiobior and other people here what happened in the night you were raped.
My daughter, stop crying. We know what happened. I was trying to remember one of two things. Why it happened. Please, I would like to excuse myself. My letter, take it.
Ochele, wait. I will excuse you, but I want you to be here.
Igwe. I was preparing for the moonlight play. But my father asked me to leave the moonlight play for that day. Because she wanted me to help her out with something. But I insisted on going. I insisted. And she let me. When she let me. On my way.
Who is that? Who is that? Show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself.
We must get to the good place. Igwe, we've all heard her.
Amara, from what you said, Amara, I discovered that you clawed the assailant on the chest, which means whoever the person is, there must be a mark on his body, either the front chest or the back.
Let me take my drugs.
I told you I would send for your drugs.
Igwe is talking to you.
Here.
Igwe is talking to you, actually.
We need your attention and presence. This matter is very important.
You're not dying now.
Ichiobiora, can you see any visible mark or scratch on Chide's body?
Of course. Look at him here. Nothing. There is nothing on his body. Nothing on his chest.
There's no mark. You see, since there is no mark on Chid, that means all these things we have been saying, both the flute and the rape, we have not seen the real culprit. Ochele, I said you should come back, be here. Let's see how this thing goes. So Ochele, as you can see, all from the look of things, we've not seen the real culprit because there is no visible mark on Chid, as said by Amara.
We've seen Chid. Can actually,
of course, right away, let us see, just to be plain to everybody. It's not on Chid alone. Let us check everybody.
Remove your clothes for inquiries. We've seen Chid. Let us see you too. And every other young man.
Every other young youth. We are going to check everybody.
Are you not sick?
Hey!
Huh? You? Ochele?
Ochele, why?
What are those marks on your chest?
Ochele, why? Why? How could you do this to me? Why? How could you do this to me?
Confess.
Be man, profit. Eh? You know, I don't do things for nothing. Eh?
Actually, you must not talk about profit all the time. You need to sacrifice, okay? Once in a while you sacrifice.
Sacrifice? Eh?
Yes,
sacrifice my own sweat. Eh? It's you, me. How none sacrifice my own toiling. Come on, sacrifice.
Chidi, good day. Chidi and not Chili, I greet you too.
Greet you too.
Chidi, there is something I've been meaning to tell you, but not now. Amara, this one you want to tell Chidi something. I hope you're not planning to steal him away from me. You are the one planning to steal him away from me. Thief. Amara. Amara.
How are you?
Ochidi, how many times will you ask me this question? This is the third time you're seeing me today. The third time, and you're asking me the same question. Okay, if you must know, I'm fine. I hope you are satisfied now. Chidi, I'll see you later.
That girl, huh? She sings, she can song, insult me, and go scot free. Listen, Ochili, you can't force a girl to love you. Take your mind off that girl. I owe you the truth as my friend. Telling me the truth. You think I've not been seen. That girl, they loves you. Which of them? Listen, I don't have time for girls now. My priority number one is my sick grandfather. I don't have such time. Are you hearing me? That one is the truth. Huh? But I'm also telling you the truth. Let's go and take our trust. Let's go. Let's look at the letter. Let's go and take our trust. That away. What's your problem? Wait now, huh? Come and help me. You see, the antelope is too big for one person to tell you the truth. We need to exchange our traps. Because I can't tell why you always have the big meats. Actually, it's not all about exchanging traps. I know I'm a lucky man, but don't worry, I'll give you some. Come and help me first. Please, come. Come, let's carry this.
I can see the lovely bush animals you both are having.
Animal. We got from traps.
Why don't you consider bringing meat to the palace, since my father's personal hunter is no more available?
That would be such a great honor.
Very well then.
Well, in that case, let me start by offering this to the Igwe.
Chidi, no! I didn't expect this.
No, my princess. It will be my utmost pleasure for the Igwe to eat from my trap.
Wow. Thank you very much. I'm sure the Igwe will appreciate this. Thank you.
Chidi, you want to give me the Igwe?
Thank you, Chidi.
Just like that.
Was cheated, trying to prove anyway. He thinks that the game is me to the equal down princess love him more. Or the equal will probably ask him to come and be the king. Chidi always trying to paint himself good than me. But anyway, we shall see.
I'm sorry. I have to bring you out. It's about your grandfather.
Actually, hope there is no problem.
Actually, I greet you, Chidi.
What is happening?
What do you mean by what is happening?
Obim, I have come like I promised.
You shouldn't have. Someone is already helping you out.
Who?
You again? Give me that pot. Give me the pot! I should give you what? Give me that pot, Udo. Give it to me.
Amara, don't try.
I will beat you.
Don't try me.
I will beat you.
Amara, don't try.
Give me the pot.
Hey. Amara,
give me that pot.
Amara, I said I won't give you the pot. Give me that pot. No, don't touch
I will beat you.
Don't touch me.
I will beat you. I will beat you.
Give it. Amara, leave this thing.
Give me this pot.
Now I remember. Actually, you wanted to tell me something yesterday before Udoka and Odera started their problem.
Idiot. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you asking? Go and die on the laps of Dodo's girls. Fool. But don't worry. One day, all this your flaunting will come to an end. We shall see.
Why are you quiet? I'm talking to you.
I'm fine. I've forgotten.
Actually,
Say that. I've forgotten. In fact, I want to go.
You want to go? Where?
To go check our traps now.
Tonto, let's go. Yeah, you're acting strange lately. I don't know. Actually,
Your Highness will soon be with you.
Sit down. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank
you.
My daughter told me how you gave her bushmeat for the royal household. I appreciate that.
You're welcome, Igwe.
Even up till now, I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Igwe.
So, for that reason, I wish to make you constant meat suppliers for the royal household.
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
Igwe.
Thank you. Greetings, my princess.
She'll be my good friend. I greet you. Igwe, he's the one that gave me the meat I brought back the other day.
Really? Ah. You are Mazi Ojina's grandson, isn't it?
Yes, Igwe.
Your father was a very good man. Unfortunately, death claimed him too early. But I'm so happy that you inherited your father's good virtue. Keep it up, okay?
Thank you very much, Igwe.
Very well then. I'll be needing more of the bush animals you gave out to my daughter. But I wonder if you can guarantee me a good supply.
Definitely. Consider it done, Igwe.
No problem, Igwe.
So, it's a deal.
Sure.
Deal.
I told you, didn't I? You're not a supplier of meat to this royal house. Thank you, Father.
I never believed the princess when she said her father will grant us the office. Are you okay? You've been moody. What's eating you up?
Something like what?
Until I know you very well. This is not you. You've been cold.
Chile. Must one talk all the time.
Actually, recently you've been cold. What is eating you up? What is the problem? I just want to know. Are you okay? Are you sure you're fine?
Chile. I'm fine. Okay. It's just that a lot of things on my mind. Stop reading on unnecessary minutes.
Why must everything be about cheating? In what way is cheating better than me? I have received insult because of cheating. Even my told me that she loves cheating more than me. Then the princess is even in love too. To cheat. I must put an end to all this. I can't continue like this.
Ami, is you that I love. I want you to give me a chance in your life. Is you that I love. In this whole village, is you that actually loves. I mean,
is this why you stopped me? I thought you had something better to say. Excuse me.
Oh, so this thing that I said now is not better. It's not better, Abi. He say it's not better. I mean, listen. You cannot do anything about it. It's you that I love. In this village, it's only you.
Actually, I don't like you. Read my lips. I don't like you. Can't you see the signs? Stop trying to force me against my will. It will not work. I don't like you.
Okay. It's obvious that you prefer Chidi, right?
Of course. Chidi is my man. After my heart. I call him Obi.
Chidi, Chidi that doesn't appreciate you at all, that you love.
Look at this fool. Who told you Chidi doesn't appreciate me? Who told you that?
Chidi loves you. Oh, okay. Let me ask you one question. If Chidi appreciates you like you said, why will he be allowing you and Udoka to be wrestling? Are you a wrestler?
Oh, Chili, I can see you don't have anything reasonable to say. You are just being jealous of Chidi. Accept it. You are jealous of him.
Me? Jealous of Chidi? Who is Chidi self?
You know what? I don't have time. You're just wasting my precious time. Okay? So go and get a life. Enough of this your nonsense, blasphemy and everything. I am done.
Amara! You're working out on me, Abi. Me, Chili, in this village. I don't have anything to say for now. Hi. But this Amara is fine. Look at the way everywhere is shaking. Hi. I don't have anything to tell you now. You don't have to kill yourself. Happened palace.
What I still don't understand is what happened to that bushmeat. Bushmeat don't easily get rotten like that.
Chidi, Hitma, being poisonous snake. Something.
Chidi, you know, you worry a lot of times on things that does not really make for it. Believe in the gods because I believe in them. They will do a lot of things for you. Believe in the gods. Who greets me?
Nah, it's me, Udoka.
Oh, Udoka, my daughter. How are you?
I'm very fine, and are you?
Fine, my dear. Well, you can see it. I'm always like that almost every day, but I believe the gods of our land will one day see me through, and I'll start to see. You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, Nai. Thank you very much.
I hope things are working fine with you.
Yes, Nai, everything is fine.
Good.
Actually, I greet you.
How are you?
Chidi.
Don't chidi me. What is chidi? Are you that jobless? Don't you have any other thing to do with your time? We're having a serious conversation here and you're busy. Chidi. That's one when talk to a woman. Eh? Doga. Don't be angry. Eh? It's not in a good mood. Eh?
Obviously. I'll just give you some space now.
Better.
Please, whatever it is, just take it easy. Greetings to his house.
Thank you.
Just get me more of such meat.
No problem, Igwe.
That reminds me, what about your friend, Ched?
Oh. I don't know. I think he has lost interest after the last incident.
Igwe.
My princess.
Yes, father.
What are you doing with this?
It's just an ordinary flute I saw in your chambers.
Ma'am, this is not ordinary. It is a cherished possession from my late father, which he bequeathed to me.
That means you will bequeath it to me when the time comes, won't you?
Yes, but you have to keep it where you brought it from. But to think of it, I have never seen where a female is being attracted to a flute. How come?
There is always a first time, father, isn't it?
You're right, my princess. I'm going.
Ochili, you betrayed me. Why would you take me to that palace without my consent? Eh?
Chidi, you weren't ready now. I wasn't ready. I went now.
Who told you I was not ready? Who told you?
Chidi, I don't want to argue. Please, oh. You can take the meat to the palace yourself now.
Actually, I'm beginning to see you from a different angle. Don't let me lose the trust I have on you. Actually, I'm warning you. Don't let me lose the trust I have on you.
Business.
And how did you know that my flute is missing?
Because I saw the flute with Chidi. So I asked him, but Chidi denied. Yes, Igwe.
So when and where did you see the flute that you were able to recognize it?
Have you forgotten? The other day we were scolding the princess for bringing it out. So that day I went home and told Chidi about it. Since that day, everything Chidi says is about the flute. The flute this, the flute that.
And how did you know this?
Chidi is my friend now. He tells me everything. So that is why I've come to tell you. So tomorrow someone will not say I'm part of it. And please, I would love for you to keep it to yourself. Please.
I call the gods of this land to bear me witness as I hand over this cherished fruit of mine to Chidi as my first gesture of appreciation for his kindness and genuine purpose to life. Chidi, indeed, you are a man of good character and maturity. such as I, even as your king, cannot boast of. But I have found in you a man full of patience, generosity, and meekness. In fact, permit me to say that I wish I had you as my son. You would have led my people when I must have journeyed to the great beyond. And that is why I am handing over this, my cherished flute, as a symbol of friendship and a covenant between the royal house and the family of Ojin. I'm bestowing on you such immunity as it is enjoyed by the royal house, and according you also the noble status as associated by the royal house. May the gods of this land bless you richly and continue to guide and protect you. Tomorrow, the chair Obiora shall take you to the village square and present you to the people of
Namuku. I am very, very happy that finally you have returned to this house. All the allegations leveled against you are now in vain. I would like you to promise me one thing.
Namuku, I'm all ears. Whatever you want me to do, just say it, I will.
I would like you always to follow your heart desire and not to swayed over circumstances. God will be with you in every aspect of your life. It shall be well with you.
Namuku. 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 Namuku.
On behalf of myself and the royal house, I bring you our condolence on the passing away of your grandfather.
Thank you very much, my princess.
I'm happy that the storm is over now, and we can look forward to better days ahead.
Exactly, my princess.
I never doubted you, even while you were going through all that persecution.
Thanks for believing in me, my princess.
That is why I had to do what I did to prove your innocence.
I really appreciate my princess.
I know you do. My heart is telling me I have found the right one.
I don't understand.
I have told my father about my intentions towards you and our marriage ceremony,
My princess, with all due respect, you can't be my wife.
Why?
Because my mind is already made on someone else. Excuse me, my princess.
Mother, I can't take this. I can't, Mother.
My princess, please calm down.
I should calm down, Mother. Is this how Chidi wants to pay me back? After everything I've done for him, even saving his life.
My daughter, one thing you should know is it is not easy to affect a man's deepest belief. Chidi that you and I know is a man of genuine purpose.
Genuine purpose, my foot, Mother. Chidi cannot just treat me like that and expect to go scot-free. If he can't marry me, he won't marry any other person over my dead body.
My daughter, you don't have to talk like that. You do not have a blood covenant, do you? Eh? He is free to marry any woman he chooses to marry. And remember, your father has given him immunity. There is nothing you can do to him that will harm him. My daughter, you have to accept it with a good faith.
Sorry. Yes, what is it?
Your Highness, my princess refused to come out.
What?
It's okay, Igwe. I know why she does not want to come out and see me. But you will please, I'm begging, on behalf of my friend Ochile.
Chidi, please, don't just go there. If you're talking about my daughter, I will understand. But for that criminal, Ochile, I'm sorry, I can't do that.
Igwe, I understand how you feel, but please, I'm pleading with you to recognize the immunity you gave me before your chiefs. Please have mercy upon my friend Ochile.
Chidi, so you wish to hold me against my word, hmm? I'll still have to think about it. All the same, you have my support.
May you live long.
Chidi, Udoka, I have come to tell you I'm not angry anymore about your marriage. If I were to follow my heart, Chidi would have been my husband. But you won. Please, take care of him, cherish him, and love him.
Igwe na choya, I
igwe na-achọ